Hello everyone and welcome to My Money Grows. Video editing is a crucial aspect of the modern world with the rise of social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram. As a result, video editing has become a lucrative career choice. In this video, we'll cover 5 ways to make money editing videos. Work as a freelance video editor. Freelance video editing is a great way to start earning money. You can find freelance work on sites like Upwork or Fiverr where clients post jobs for video editors. This can include anything from editing YouTube videos to corporate videos. You can set your own rates and build up a portfolio to attract more clients. Start your own YouTube channel. If you're a skilled video editor, you can start your own YouTube channel and monetize it. You can create content around video editing tutorials, tips and tricks, or even showcase your work. By building a following, you can start to earn money through ads and sponsorships. Create a video editing course. Another way to make money is to create and sell a video editing course. You can use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to create and sell your course. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as once the course is created, you can continue to make money from it. Work with brands and agencies. Many brands and agencies need video editors to create their marketing videos or promotional content. You can pitch your services to these brands and agencies, or join a production company as a video editor. You can create corporate videos, commercials, and promotional videos for brands. Edit stock footage. Another way to make money is to edit stock footage. Many companies sell stock footage that can be edited and customized for specific clients. You can purchase stock footage from sites like Shutterstock or Pond5 and then edit it to sell to clients. This can be a great way to earn money without having to shoot footage for yourself. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money editing videos. By working as a freelance video editor, starting your own YouTube channel, creating a video editing course, working with brands and agencies, or editing stock footage, you can turn your love of video editing into a profitable business. With a bit of hard work and some marketing savvy, you can make money editing videos.